Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off video chat with friends on the Bigo Live app step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your app store and search for Bigo Live. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not be available in older versions. Once the app is updated, open the Bigo Live app on your device. After that, go to the Me section, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Next, tap on the Privacy option. Scroll down until you find the option called Video Chat with Friends. Simply toggle this option off to disable video chat with friends. Once you turn it off, other users will no longer be able to start video chats with you. And that's it! You have successfully turned off video chat. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.